college campuses are well known for fostering an opening exchanging of ideas. Students spend pivotal years learning and growing at these institutions. But what happens when discourse goes too far or becomes stunted? Americans' First Amendment right protects free speech, but this isn't the first time the clause has sparked controversy on CSU's campus.
Free speech is the democratic right for people to express themselves freely and without government intervention or interference.
After numerous instances of reported free speech abuse, administrators put up a sign with resources for students.
I think that if CSU wants to be providing resources, they need to be doing so before, during, and after these kinds of things happen.
I don't think it's an important sign to have up. I feel like there are lots of other signs throughout the campus with numbers that you can reach out to if something is going on, and I don't think it should be targeted just at free speech.
This act, meant to help students, has triggered more contention.
There was a student on our campus that ended up taking a picture and sending it to Fox News.
Protection from free speech. Colorado State University referred
I would
students
prefer to see someone of like color, or maybe like a queer representative, or someone who has like been marginalized historically to like speak about the problems that we face on our campus.
You have some kids who are just at the end of their rope with this stuff, and they want to be heard and they want to voice their opinion, and they don't want to feel completely incorrect or wrong for the way that they think.
It has started a bigger conversation of what free speech should legally look like on campus.
In a way, you could have one outlier, one fringe person on this campus of like 30,000 people who has this outrageous view that no one agrees with. And as long as they come right up into the law but don't cross it, they can say that.
There is seemingly an unbridgeable divide when it comes to students and those who hold a differing opinion.
I feel like a lot of the time when conservative white people discuss their views or their opinions, it's just kind of dismissed as like racist or sexist or homophobic.
I know a lot of people within like the LGBT community like are very scared on campus because like they've had such bad like experiences within the classrooms or like even in living spaces.
Many students cite the school as a large instigator of the polarization.
I think it's hard for sure, especially at universities. There's definitely like a further left bias, and we can't really argue that.
I think a school that's state funded should play the middle ground, try and stay neutral, and be supportive of students of all backgrounds.
Immediately disperse, which means to break up this assembly.
The school declined to comment but did release a statement about the recent disputes. On the CSU website listed under University Policies, the school states the rights of students and others to participate in acts of free speech and peaceful protest. It goes on to say acts by demonstrators that interfere with rights of others, disrupt normal school functions, or endanger health and safety may be addressed through the student conduct process.